In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a voting poll in Outlook. This feature is incredibly handy for making decisions or gathering opinions from a group of people, whether it be in a business setting or for personal use. Let's dive right in and walk through the process. First, we'll need to open Outlook, the email application developed by Microsoft. If you don't have it running yet, go ahead and launch it now. Once it's open, we are ready to create a new email. This is the starting point for adding a voting poll. With Outlook open, click on the button to create a new email. This will open up a blank email window where you can begin composing your message. It's in this window that you will set up your voting options. At the top of the new email window, you'll see several tabs. Click on the tab labeled Options. This tab contains various settings that you can use to customize your email, including the ability to add voting buttons. Within the Options tab, look for the section or button that says Use Voting Buttons. Clicking this will reveal several preset voting options that Outlook provides for your convenience. You can select from one of these presets if they suit your needs. The presets include Approve, Reject, Yes, No, and Yes, No, Maybe. These options are quick and easy if they align with what you need to ask. However, if you require specific choices that aren't covered by the presets, you can create custom voting options. To do this, click on Custom, which can be found under the Voting and Tracking options within the same area. This allows you to tailor the poll to your exact requirements, providing more detailed or nuanced response options for your recipients. When you click on Custom, a new dialog box will appear. In this box, ensure that the option for Use Voting Buttons is checked. This setting must be enabled to proceed with creating your poll. Now you can type in your custom options directly into the provided field, separating each option with a semicolon. For instance, you might enter something like Option A, Option B, Option C, depending on the question you're asking or the choices you want to provide. Once you have your options written in and everything looks ready, go ahead and finish composing the rest of your email as you normally would. Write your message, include any necessary attachments or additional information, and make sure your subject line clearly conveys what the poll is about. Finally, when you're satisfied that everything is ready and checked, it's time to send the email. Simply click Send to deliver it to your chosen recipients. And there you have it. You've successfully created a voting poll in Outlook. Recipients will see your listed options in the message, and they'll be able to select their choice right from their email. This is a simple but effective way to gather feedback quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.